Here we go.
Storm. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects. Following county, Hunter in New Jersey. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey has issued a flood warning for northern Hunterdon County until 10:15 p.m. At 6:20 p.m. runoff from this afternoon's heavy showers and thunderstorms is forcing the Spruce Run at Glen Gardner toward flood stage. It should briefly exceed flood stage this evening before receding. Other small streams in northern Hunterdon County may rise to bank full this evening. There may be another batch of heavy showers after 9 p.m. this evening that could impact small streams in this area. A flood warning means that flooding is imminent or has been reported. Stream rises will be slow, and flash flooding is not expected. However, all interested parties should take necessary precautions immediately.